Hey there, Cash App users. Are you having trouble adding paper money to your Cash App balance? If you aren't able to add funds, don't worry. Today, we'll walk you through troubleshooting steps on how to fix Cash App won't let me add paper money. By the end of this guide, you'll have a better understanding of how to resolve these issues and get back on track with managing your funds effortlessly. Step 1. Verify your identity. Before you can fully utilize all Cash App features, including adding paper money, ensure your identity is verified. Start by opening Cash App and tapping on the profile icon. Navigate to Personal to input your full legal name, the last 4 digits of your social security number, and your date of birth. Same information used in government documentation. Once verified, you should gain access to all features provided there are no other restrictions on your account. Step 2. Check for updates. Sometimes technical glitches arise from outdated app versions. Head over to your device's app store and check for updates to ensure that you're using the latest version of Cash App. Updated versions come with bug fixes and improved compatibility, making it more likely any issues you're experiencing will be resolved. Keeping your app updated is a simple yet effective way to prevent potential conflicts. Step 3. Review your network connection. A poor internet connection might be impeding your ability to add paper money. Ensure that you're connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network or have strong mobile data coverage. Test your internet speed using online tools or simply try loading a web page to confirm connectivity. Fluctuations in connection strength can hinder data transfer and disrupt the process of adding funds to your Cash App. Step 4. Ensure sufficient balance and limits. Your linked bank account needs to have sufficient funds, and you must remain within your set limits within Cash App. Examine your account's available balance for any potential discrepancies and verify that there are no holds or restrictions on your transaction capabilities. Review the daily or weekly cash limits to ensure they aren't preventing your actions. Cash App has specific limits. You can increase some of them by verifying your identity, as mentioned earlier. Step 5. Contact Cash App support. If you've tried all the steps and still find Cash App won't let me add paper money, your next step is to reach out to Cash App support. Open your app, navigate to the profile icon, and scroll down to the Cash Support section. Select something else, then describe your issue in detail. Cash App's customer service team can provide personalized assistance and can help you resolve the problem quickly. Experiencing issues when adding paper money to your Cash App can be frustrating, but rest assured, there are solutions. By verifying your identity, checking for app updates, ensuring your internet connection is stable, and maintaining sufficient balances and limits, you tackle most common causes of this issue. If all else fails, don't hesitate to contact Cash App support for further assistance. With this guide, you're now equipped to handle and resolve this issue efficiently. Happy transacting!